Welcome to RidgeLife. Today we're going to make venison 3 ways. What we have here is a deer I killed on Thanksgiving. This is the tenderloin and then 2 pieces of backstrap. This venison has been wet aged for over 2 weeks, so it should be just tender like butter. Alright, how we're going to cook the tenderloin is we're going to cut it into chunks, bacon wrapped, stuffed with cream cheese, in a jalapeno. So jalapeno cream cheese bacon poppers effectively with super tender tenderloin. And the 2 pieces of backstrap, one's going to be bacon wrapped and coated in a light brown sugar glaze and grilled. The other one's going to be cream cheese and bacon stuffed, wrapped in bacon with a light brown sugar glaze and grilled. So all 3 is going to be delicious. Before we can do that tomorrow though, we're going to marinate these overnight. And what we're going to marinate them in is some Dale seasoning. This stuff is wonderful. If you haven't had it on hamburgers or just any type of meat, very, very good seasoning. And of course the old standby French's Worcestershire sauce. Okay, I got my trusty assistant Gavin here. He's going to help pour. So I'm going to put the meat in the container, and then you're going to put the marinade on it, right, buddy? Mm-hmm. All right. All right. So 1 piece of backstrap. This stuff is, again, wet aged for over 2 weeks. So tender. Just beautiful.
Which one should I start with?
I'll have you do the Dales first.
Okay.
Alright. Get this one out. Alright, so everybody can look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful.
Delicious.
Okay, yeah. Okay. And finally the tenderloin. Okay. There's the finger. Alright.
Here's some fingers.
Yeah. All right. Okay, Gavin. Put some. Let me see. Put the lid on it first.
Okay.
Let me shake it up. All right. So again, the Dale seasoning. Shake it. Get all the stuff at the bottom. All right. Pour.
Pour until you say.
Yeah. About half the bottle. Okay, that's good. Thanks, sir. Okay. Let that go around there. All right. Take the lid
Should
off.
I shake this one?
No, take the lid off. Okay. Let's pour. Okay. Pour. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and keep going, keep going. Stop. Perfect, Gavin. You didn't spill a drop. Awesome. All right. So let everybody see that. Okay. So what we got is our meat. You want to make sure the meat is completely submerged. So you can see there's. And I'll be stirring this a couple times tonight before we go to bed. And I get up in the morning, I'll rotate it a few more times, and I just want to make sure it is completely, every little inch of that meat is getting marinated. And I'm going to cover this in some plastic wrap just to make sure, keep the air off of it. So until then, we'll see you tomorrow, right, Gavin?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome back to RidgeLife. We're going to continue with our venison 3 ways. We've had our venison soaking overnight, or marinating overnight in Dales and Worcestershire. We've collected our materials. We've got bacon, light brown sugar, jalapenos, Philadelphia cream cheese, and some toothpicks. And we've got a very sharp knife. All right, Gavin, can you open up the cream cheese box for me, buddy? All right, so I'm going to prepare the jalapenos real quick. Get the insides out. Okay, we have our jalapeno chunks for our poppers, and we have our chopped jalapeno for our stuffed backstrap. So let's start with the poppers with the tenderloin. Okay. So what I want you to do, Gavin, is there's 2 big chunks of meat in here. That's the backstrap, and then there's small pieces of meat. I want you to hold it up. Okay. And let it drain the small piece, okay? Get a small piece.
Oh, I think I found one.
Found one? Yeah, there you go. Good job. And cream cheese over here.
Is that dry enough?
Huh? Yep. Okay. Hand it to me. Thank you, buddy. Start
How
looking.
many of these should
Now start looking for the next one and hold it up, okay?
Small?
Yep. There's 2 big giant chunks and there's like 2 or 3 small chunks, okay? All right. So I have a tenderloin here, and I'm gonna cut it into pieces piece is about that big right there. Okay, set it right there.
This is the messiest. Mom will do that. Happy? This is a good piece of meat. Got a little fat there to spruce it up.
Cutting them into nice
I actually
chunks.
got the cheese.
Alright. I want to show everybody this. So this is our tenderloin that's been marinated. Look at the inside of that. Look how beautiful that is. That's gonna be good. That's just gonna be some wonderful, wonderful soft meat. Yep. Okay, so what we're gonna do is get a piece of bacon.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Huh?
After doing the
Alright. Okay, so we have a piece of bacon. We have a jalapeno chunk. I'm gonna get some cream cheese, piece of meat. Okay, I'm gonna put it towards the end here, and just gonna roll it up. Roll it up. Actually, you know what, guys? Let me rephrase this. So we only need half a piece of bacon. Okay, so let's roll it up. That way. Slide that through there. So now it's through the meat and get up here so we can see. So we have bacon, cream cheese, jalapeno, and tenderloin. Does that look good? We'll set that right on there. Put up. Okay, don't let it touch. I'm going to be putting brown sugar on these. Okay. So once I get some on here, I'm going to rub it in. All right.
Looks like sand.
It does look like play sand, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Get that on there. Over there. Just want to get a nice coating of it on here. It's a nice coating of brown sugar. What the brown sugar does is when we put it on the grill, it's going to caramelize and get crunchy. Whereas normally when you grill bacon, it can get kind of rubbery and chewy and not quite crispy. So Gavin's going to be a piece of backstrap. Look at this. Everybody, isn't that beautiful? Okay. Just hold them right there. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to slice into the backstrap, going down about a third of the way, leaving about an equal thickness open.
So what is that supposed to do?
Then I'm going to turn, you'll see in just a second.
Oh.
See, now I'm all the way down about the same thickness I cut. Then I'm going to come back, cut back. What that does, it's going to give me a flat piece of meat.
Ooh.
So that way I can roll it.
Looks like potato. Except delicious.
So you can see what this did? This took a round piece of meat and made it into a flat piece of meat. So, now that I've got it flat like that, take my cream cheese. See about this much cream cheese. Not that much cream cheese. Put too much in there, it starts to ooze and get out everywhere. Just a little bit more. I don't want too much because then the cream cheese will be overwhelming. Okay, and then I take some jalapenos. See that right there? That look good?
Yes,
Okay.
that does.
All right, let's take this over here so everybody can see it. Cream cheese, jalapeno stuffed. Okay. So now once I got this stuffed, I want to roll it up. Roll it up. You can see that's a perfect roll. Now we're going to wrap it in bacon. You want to wrap the bacon from end to end. That keeps the cream cheese in.
Nature's tape.
Nature's tape, that's funny, yeah. Okay. So now we got that. So now I want to do bacon all the way around. Okay. This is the part that's open, so I squeeze it. Keep it open. Just go around and around. Around.
This is a bacon lover's dream.
It is, isn't it? All right, toothpick.
Toothpick?
One toothpick going in. Next toothpick going in.
So how are we gonna fry the toothpicks on the grill without them catching fire?
They don't catch fire because all the liquid and moisture around them.
Oh.
You do got to make sure you push them all the way in so they don't elevate. One more. All right, I'll put that right here. All right, let's let everybody look at that real quick. So we have a stuffed venison backstrap. Now we need to put the brown sugar on it. Pat it on. Bring it over. Thanks, sir. All right. You want to start peeling some bacon off for me?
Okay.
All right, so this one we're just going to wrap in bacon. This one's just going to be bacon wrapped. Yeah. So from end to end. I still like doing the end just to have them covered. Round. 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 Oh yeah.
Oh, this is a thick one.
Let everybody see that real quick. It's beautiful. All right, now I need to.
This is a meal you won't want to share.
Always want to share your meals.
You will want to hog it. Get it? Because bacon.
Yeah. All right, so let's get some more brown sugar. This is light brown sugar.
You wouldn't want heavy.
No, it's usually it's dark and there's light, not like heavy and light. That's pretty funny though. You're pretty good. Okay. Let's go over what we have here. We have bacon wrapped venison backstrap with glazed with brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
And this brown sugar we have on it will end up glazing. See how it's already starting to melt and crust to it?
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, see that? It's pretty cool, isn't it? So this is stuffed venison backstrap.
Stuffed venison.
It's wrapped in bacon and also has a brown sugar glaze. And then these are jalapeno tenderloin, venison tenderloin poppers.
Yeah.
Jalapenos, cream cheese, wrapped in bacon with brown sugar glaze. And some of them have jalapeno and some of them don't for you, right, buddy? All right. All right, so Gavin and I have prepared the meat. We're going to cover this with some plastic wrap and stick it in the refrigerator. We're going to let this set up for a while, let this brown sugar become a glaze on the outside of it. It's already starting to melt, and then we'll grill it this evening. There we go. Now it's time for the second one. That one on over here. All right. So we got the bacon wrapped venison, the bacon wrapped stuffed venison. We turned it over once, get this one going, and we'll be ready. All right, the back strap's looking good. We're going to get the poppers on now. Once the poppers are done, we'll be ready to eat. Poppers won't take no time at all to cook. Yep, we're gonna have everything medium rare. Alright, that's good. Let's get it going. Alright, we're gonna move them up to the top shelf, high heat. Let them sit there. I mean, just look at that, everybody. Just, isn't that gorgeous? Set that right there. Oh man, I mean, you just can't get better than that. Pull this off. Alright. Here we go. See that? Turn the grill on. Everybody see that? We have our back straps, and let's look inside and see how they are. This is the stuffed. Oh, look at that, guys. Does it look good? And this is the unstuffed. Should be medium rare. Oh, look at that. It's more medium. It's more the medium than medium rare, but it's still really good. So, all right, let's set this up right here. Show the camera a little better. All right, so we appreciate it. Everyone have a blessed night, and go RidgeLife.